Welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you, and this evening I have the Stampede VXL two-wheel drive, and that is running on the Proline INTERCOs 2.8 Super Swampers. They're good on any terrain and they balloon less than the actual Proline tires that they have, like the Badlands and such. And I have the turf behind me here, and we'll test it out. It actually does pretty good wheelies. We'll see how it does today. And the Stampede, as usual, it's clean, spotless, because that's how I keep my RCs and that's how you can maintain them long term. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in, RC Overdose.
All I do is rap though. Yeah. Want me on your song? Throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yo. That's why we ain't on the same page. No. Do my own thing and I maintain. Woo! Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.